Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by bringing everything to one clear surface so you can see patterns and gaps. First, separate food-safe versus non-food items and note microwave-safe and glass pieces. This prevents later cross-contamination. Once done, toss warped or cracked items. Why keep problems? Make sure to keep similar materials together so nesting works. You'll save space and time when you begin grouping by shape and size. This initial triage speeds the rest of the workflow and avoids repeated handling. You now group by shape and nest progressively, smallest inside slightly larger, keeping only one long stack per family to avoid splaying. While nesting, stack lids by diameter and profile because matching later wastes time. Once nesting is underway, put stacks into divider bins, racks, or magazine holders to prevent toppling. This preserves order. Make sure to tape or label tricky sets so you can return items correctly. If lids don't settle, rotate until seal patterns align. That's the key to tidy. You finish by assigning homes, daily use sets at eye or waist level, and bulky or seasonal items out of the way. Once stored, maintain order with a one-in, one-out rule so accumulation doesn't return. Every 6 months, inspect for stains or warping and retire or replace problem pieces. If lids are orphaned and won't match, contain them in a small labeled bin or use rubber bands to keep similar profiles together. That simple fix prevents drawer chaos and saves time later.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.